Well, right now, more than 50,000 people are still without power 5 days after deadly rain and windstorm moved up the East Coast and into Maine.
The terrain is a little different. Some of it's more hilly than we're used to in central Ohio and northern Ohio.
Andy Matson is one of the 108 AEP Ohio workers sent to the Pine Tree State. The powerful deadly storm at its peak knocked out power to more than 250,000 customers. AEP Ohio crews are now resetting poles and helping with repairs in Lewiston, Maine. Matson says they packed enough for a 2-week deployment, meaning they most likely will be away for Christmas.
It's super special for them this time of year. They do miss their families and friends back home this time of year, but they know that they need to help out others as well.
Matson says they typically don't leave until 100% of the power is restored.